Okay, so Friday, Sadu always gets super excited just because of the possibility that we go to our sister's house. And if he sees us like moving things around or packing or getting ready, he takes that as his guarantee sign. Yeah, we're going. So I just came back from Costco and I brought everything in from the car. And look at Sadu. He's been sitting there asleep for probably about 10 minutes now. He is not missing his ride. If I go all the way out there, he'll wake up. He just moves a little bit. Okay, so now Sadu thinks that he does not have enough space to jump out of the car, so I can take him inside, go around back to do his business, so we can go. Dude's got space. So now I need to pull the car forward just a little bit. Give him just a little bit more space because he was just eyeing it, thinking he wouldn't fit. Only do a couple of inches. Alright, let's see if the drama queen will come out now. Hey, Sadu, you got space now, buddy? That looks better? Yeah, there you go. There you go. That's a good boy. Come on, let's go pee-pee. Come on, let's go pee-pee. Nothing. Ledger's still working. So slippery and shiny.
Yeah.
Driveways are still iced.
Look at ours.
Oh, this got worse.
This got how it's getting worse.
Because it melts and then freeze and melts and freeze.
Look at this. Look at our area here. Oh gosh. How would we drive on that thing, Carter? The car will
Car
slip.
is sliding.
Oh gosh. Ah, Gaddy. This ice is something else.
Yeah.
I never see this kind of ice. Oh, look, Carter, take the picture. Oh gosh, look.